In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Axos Bank branches and ATMs near you step by step. Let's dive right in to ensure you can easily locate the nearest ATM or branch for all your banking needs. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and head over to the Axos Bank website. Once you're there, if you scroll down a little on the main page, you'll find several options and links meant to guide you through their services. Look for the ATM Locator link, which is typically positioned to catch your attention as it's a frequently used feature by many customers. This link is your gateway to finding the nearest ATM or branch. Once you've identified the ATM locator, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to Axos Bank's dedicated ATM locator page, a really handy tool. Here you'll be prompted to type in your current address, your city, or simply your zip code. Doing so will refine your search and help you pinpoint the closest ATMs or branches in your vicinity. Moreover, this service offers you the flexibility to search based on the specific type of transaction you need to conduct. You can filter your search by options such as withdrawal only, withdrawal plus cash deposit, or withdrawal plus cash and check deposit. This ensures that the ATM or branch you choose will meet your specific requirements without any hassle or unnecessary runaround. Once you've set your search parameters, check out the results section. This area will display various locations including Axos' partner retailers as well as Allpoint and MoneyPass ATM networks. Both networks are part of extensive fee-free ATM networks, which is extremely beneficial if you prefer to avoid extra charges. For a more interactive search experience, click directly on the displayed map. You can explore partner retailer locations and view the ATM networks in greater detail, essentially bringing the map to life. Clicking on a specific location will reveal their corresponding addresses, giving you a clear idea of where to head next. To get more detailed insights about a chosen location, simply click on the Details option featured on the map. You'll gain access to additional information like operating hours, available services, and possibly any special features the branch or ATM might offer. By following these straightforward steps, locating an Axos Bank branch or ATM near you becomes a seamless and efficient process. Whether you're planning to make a deposit, withdrawal, or need to find a full-service branch, the Axos ATM Locator tool is designed with user convenience in mind. So, next time you're on the go and in need of banking services, you'll know exactly how to find what you need when you need it.